video is going to help you understand how you can download the SkyData client onto a Windows mobile device. We're looking at a Samsung Blackjack running Windows Mobile 5. And what I'm going to do is launch the Internet Explorer browser. I'll then select a menu option that allows me to go to the address bar and select www.skydata.com/download. As you bring up the local SkyData website, you'll see a SkyData logo at the top. SkyData will identify my device, in this case a Samsung Blackjack, and then there's a link that says install the SkyData client. Please note that if you're running Windows Mobile 5, you also need to install the .NET Compact Framework. I've already done that step, so let's go ahead and install SkyData. I click on the link, and Windows Mobile asks me if I want to download what's called a CAB file. This is the way Windows Mobile distributes applications. We'll go ahead and say yes. I've already installed SkyData before, so you probably will not get this message, but basically this is a confirmation that says a file with this name already exists. Do I want to replace it? I'll say yes. At this point, the download's taking place. Windows Mobile wants me to now confirm that I should install this application. I'll say yes. And then the final question will be, do I want to install SkyData on the device or on the local memory card? And at this point in time, we strongly recommend that you install it on the device. SkyData will confirm that the space needed is available, and I start the installation. There we go. The CAB file has now been installed successfully on the device. If I go to my home screen at this point and go to the Start menu, scroll down, you'll now see a SkyData logo on my Start screen, and I'm ready to go. I can go ahead and launch SkyData at this point, and this will go ahead and bring up the SkyData client. Now at this point in time, SkyData is going to ask me for my SkyData login and password. I'll go in and type in my user ID and password for my SkyData account and click OK. At this point in time, I've successfully logged into SkyData, and I'll see the tiles related to the various different data sources that I'd set up from the website. This is what's called the home screen in SkyData. At the upper left-hand corner, there's Search. If I move over, there's a tile for the recent items. This is a history of the prior threads of activity I've been working on. Quick access to my local address book. In this case, Google Contacts, Yahoo News, Facebook Friends, and Salesforce.com Contacts. If we drill into Salesforce for a second, the very first time you drill into the tile, SkyData will do some initialization of that subscription. Now all I have to do is type in the text of what contact I want to access from my Salesforce.com instance. In this case, I'm going to look up Kevin Nix. I simply have to type in the string and pause for a moment. That tells SkyData to initiate the search, and very quickly the Kevin Nix account from Salesforce.com is brought up. I can drill into that account, and SkyData will start populating in the background the various different pieces of information about Kevin Nix. Now I also have a button here that's called Related Items, and when I click on that Related Items button, I now can access all the different related information about the Kevin Nix account. The Salesforce.com account information, opportunities related to Kevin, cases, Kevin's LinkedIn profile, Google Map for the address location that is in Salesforce, Yelp access for restaurants, food, and even Google search. Let's go ahead and drill into the Salesforce.com accounts. And this again will bring up the related information about the SkyData Systems company account in Salesforce.com. Again, you'll notice there's a related items capability, or if I click on that, now I'll see all the related information tied to SkyData Systems, the company. Cases, notes, opportunities, and again, restaurant lookup, hotel lookup, news feeds, stock quotes, and a jigsaw profile. If I want to go back to the home screen, I simply go, I'll cancel out of that, go to the menu, click on the menu, and select home. And there, I'm back to the SkyData home screen. I've now successfully installed SkyData on my Windows mobile device. Please go to the follow-on video, which talks about tips and tricks to get the most out of your SkyData experience. Thank you for using SkyData.